How to enable EDS in Battle Prime. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn this feature on. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now, we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and you can even customize it. So, you must be in this control section. Slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called Hold to Aim EDS. So basically this is the ADS section. Here you'll be able to find different options. So what does ADS mean? ADS means aim down sight. So it's very useful feature that you can use in this battle gameplay. Here, in order to enable it, tap on enable and it's all done. So you can simply go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.